Have you ever sent out hundreds of job applications and heard nothing back? No interviews, no callbacks. Well, that's exactly what happened to my friend until I stepped in with ChatGPT. We used 7 smart prompts, and in less than a week, he got 7 responses and 3 interviews. If you've been struggling to land a job, this video will change the game for you because I'm going to share those exact prompts and show you how to use them to land your next jobs fast. Most people send out generic resumes, no clear value, weak language, and missing keywords that recruiter system called the ATS are scanning for. Most resumes never even reach a human resource. They get filtered out by the applicant tracking system or ATS. So, even if you're qualified, your resume never even gets seen. That's why optimizing your resume for both humans and technology is key, and ChatGPT makes it easier than ever. So these are the 7 ChatGPT prompts that changed everything. By using the right prompts, ChatGPT can make your resume stand out, pass ATS filters, and grab recruiters' attention. Prompt 1. You are a top recruiter. Rewrite my resume for a specific job role using strong, measurable language that grabs attention. Why this works? It works because it forces ChatGPT to act like a recruiter and make your resume results-driven and attention-grabbing. Prompt 2. Make it ATS-friendly. This is the prompt. Optimize my resume so it's 100% compatible with applicant tracking systems. Add keywords matching the job title for 2025. Why this works? It works because it ensures your resume passes the original digital gatekeeper, that is the ATS and its filter, which most companies use today, so your resume gets seen by real hiring managers. Prompt 3. Brutally honest feedback. The prompt should be, give me unfiltered feedback on my resume. Tell me what's weak, what's okay, and how to make it impossible to ignore. Why this works? It works because you get constructive and no sugar-coated insights, which is almost like having a personal hiring manager review your work. Use this prompt for real and honest critique. It's like having your own personal recruiter. Prompt 4. Write a standout cover letter. The prompt should go like this. Create a personalized cover letter for job title that tells my story, shows passion, and makes me stand out. Why this work? It works because it uses storytelling here. It makes your career journey memorable and authentic. Remember, a powerful cover letter connects your story to the job. This prompt helps you do that authentically. Prompt 5. Match it to the job posting. The prompt should go like this. Take this job description and adjust my resume to align with it point by point using data-driven language. Why it works? It works because recruiters love when resumes reflect the actual job posting and it shows attention to detail. It is one of my favorites because it customizes your resume for each job, thereby increasing your chances of getting noticed. Prompt 6. Fill the gaps. The prompt should go like this. My resume has work history gaps. Rewrite it to emphasize transferable skills and growth, not inconsistency. Why this works? It works because even though everyone has gaps, this helps you turn them into strengths, focusing on what you've learned and not what you have missed. This helps you turn employment gaps into a story of learning and development. Prompt 7. Build a LinkedIn bio that gets me DMs. The prompt should go like this. Write me a LinkedIn bio that makes me look hire ready, professional, and approachable, even if I am switching industries. Why this works? It works because LinkedIn is where most recruiters search first. With a strong bio, opportunities start to come to you. Recruiters love confidence and professional profiles. Let me give you some pro tips for job seekers. Always customize your resume for each job using these prompts. Keep a folder of saved ChatGPT responses for future updates. Use free design tools like Canva to make your resume visually appealing, and keep your LinkedIn active. Comment on posts, share insights, and engage. So, if you've been struggling with applications, stop guessing and start using strategy now. With these 7 ChatGPT prompts, you can turn your resume into a magnet for job offers. If this video has helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who is job hunting. Drop a comment below. Which prompt will you try first?